Looking for a TV that truly transforms your evenings without breaking the bank? Meet the Hisense U7Q, the best value mini LED for home entertainment. From epic movie binges to intense gaming sessions, this TV is built to elevate every moment you spend in front of the screen. Picture yourself dimming the lights, setting into the coziest spot on your couch and turning on a TV that instantly surrounds you with rich contrast and striking clarity, thanks to MiniLED technology. Each miniature LED delivers pinpoint control over brightness and darkness, revealing details you never noticed before. Blacks are deeper, highlights are brighter, and the overall image feels more lifelike and dynamic. It is as if each scene jumps right off the screen, drawing you into the story like never before.
No matter the cost.
Hidden behind those stunning visuals is the High-View AI engine, tirelessly working to perfect every frame. Now, when it comes to AI, I need to tell you, Hisense is a true AI pioneer. Its TVs combine 4 pillars of AI: AI picture, AI sound, AI scenario, and AI eco. Thanks to these AI innovations, you'll never miss a crucial moment of the story, and faces on the screen appear remarkably lifelike in every scene. Think of it as your own personal film editor, fine-tuning color, contrast, and sharpness in real time. Whether you're streaming a decades-old classic or catching the latest blockbuster, every shot looks crisp and full of vibrant nuance. Live sports practically glow with the lifelike intensity. Plus, built-in AI energy management helps optimize power usage for a more eco-friendly viewing experience. But the magic doesn't stop there. Harness the combined power of 144Hz Game Mode Pro and AI Smooth Motion for ultra-responsive, buttery smooth action, whether you're gaming or catching the fastest plays in sports. At 144Hz, on-screen movement feels fluid and precise. And because it's paired with native 144Hz VRR, which is variable refresh rate, you'll never see a broken frame or laggy transition. AI Smooth Motion further refines each fast-paced moment, so you catch every detail in perfect clarity without the blur. Trust me, once you experience this level of game-changing fluidity, you'll never want to settle for anything less. When you need a sonic edge, the built-in subwoofer delivers an immersive wave of bass that resonates through your living space. Whether you're chasing after foes in a high-octane shooter or absorbing the emotional climax of a film, you'll hear and feel every single moment.
What can we do?
Colors? Colors pop with QLED Color, which produces over 1 billion vibrant shades. Picture the brilliance of a sunrise moving seamlessly from warm golds to fiery oranges to soft pastels, all rendered in precise detail. To further push realism, the Dolby Vision IQ feature optimizes contrast, brightness, and color based on both your content and ambient lighting. Even in a brightly lit room, you won't lose the darker details. Now, in a dimly lit room, bright highlights won't overpower the rest of the image. You're no longer a spectator, you've stepped right into the story. In the background, hands-free voice control stands ready to make life simpler. Can't find the remote control? Just say the word. Change channels, search for movies, or tweak settings without lifting a finger. Search for movies. It's an effortless way to navigate menus or switch applications, keeping your focus exactly where it belongs, on the show, the game, or the movie you're immersed in. All these features come wrapped in a sleek, stylish design that slips perfectly into your living space. And here's the best part, the Hisense U7Q is engineered to bring premium performance to more people without the hefty price tag. You'll get the brilliance of mini-LED contrast, the depth of QLED color, lightning-fast 144Hz gaming with AI Smooth Motion, and the convenience of AI-driven optimization, all at an incredible value. So, whether you're a cinema lover, a sports fanatic, or a dedicated gamer, the Hisense U7Q is your gateway to bigger, bolder, and brighter home entertainment. Turn out the lights, turn up the volume, and let this remarkable mini LED TV take you places you've never been, right from the comfort of your own sofa.